My name is Twin A Atticus. Today I'm going to show you how to make a base, which is called the Waterbomb base. So I'm just going to start with this, like a white, and I'm just going to fold it diagonally in half. Then crease, unfold, do the same on the other side. Unfold, then turn over. Now just fold it in half, like that. Then crease and do the same on this side. Your paper should look like this. Now this is going to be pretty easy. So just going to fold it there and you're just going to make it like this. This is the Waterbomb base. Remember to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.